How to build a temporary page button, meaning as long as I hold this button, I can have a separate execute screen going. When I let go, I go back to my main page. It can be useful to, let's say, get to a page with hazers or something. This is just a blank file, so don't have super good examples, but guess I could just put a fader on here to illustrate what I mean. So this would be my main page. I've stored it as layout 11. The temporary page is layout 12. I have an empty queue stack with 2 queues. Queues are empty themselves, but the first one goes to layout 12, the second to layout 11. In my settings, I have release resets the first step set to yes, and release executes last step set to yes. This means I'm on my main page. I want to get to my hazer. As long as the button is pressed, I can get to my hazer, raise the fader. When I let go of the button, it goes back to the main page. Hope this is useful to someone.